industry background. As you might know, the chip process nearly reached its limits from the crypto mining industry, the mining chip. It comes down from 28 nanometer, then 16 nanometer, then 7 or 8 nanometer, then 5 nanometer, and the upcoming is 3 nanometer. Like Intel is using 2 nanometer and 1.8 nanometer in the upcoming years. But it does have its limit. It's not, it has limits for chip process. This is the first problem of the industry, of the mining chips. So we have to improve the efficiency of Bitcoin mining, not only from the chip improvement, but also from the whole system design. Before that, because every generation of new chip, the efficiency increase will be likely 30% or 40% or even 50%. But these years, the trend becomes slower, much slower than before. So we have to find some ways to search for solutions for the improvement of the whole system design. And we are facing another challenge, is ESG, sustainability. For all of the factors, thermal management is a key aspect because it generates a lot of heat. So, yeah, in 2019, the founder of WhatsMiner, Dr. Yang Zuoxin, he said, the mining industry will enter a new era. In about 5 years, liquid cooling mining machines are expected to become mainstream, accounting for approximately 80% of the market. That is 2019. So I think his prediction is right. From 2018 to 2020, immersion cooling is some early stage technology verification and DIY things. It works, but it has a lot of issues. It's not mature. And from 2021 to 2022, the past 2 years, some early adopters, they finished testing and verification, both small sizes and large scale. Yeah, last year, a lot of immersion cooling providers emerged. And this year, I think it is the real beginning of the revolution of liquid cooling. This technology will be mainstream from this year to the next decade. Very quickly, very fast. As you might know, immersion cooling or other liquid cooling technology are not new technologies. In the traditional server systems, it has been quite a few years, about nearly 20 years, I think. But why it's so important to the mining industry? Because, yeah, obviously, crypto mining generates more heat, much more heat than traditional servers. So our mission is to utilize liquid cooling, especially immersion cooling, to make crypto mining most energy efficient, most cost effective, and most reliable. At the same time, least downtime, least maintenance cost, and least upgrade cost. Those factors are important to crypto mining. it increases revenue. Our progress, we have huge progress from last year to this year. We spent a lot of time and work to co-develop with WhatsMiner for the immersion cooling products. These ones are not modified from air cooling machines. It's original immersion cooling. That's important. Why? Because if it's original immersion cooling, we can design it from scratch. We can optimize from every single factor. I mean, from the heat sink to the coolant to the liquid flow, and to the outer coolant equipment, external cooling equipment. So we can calculate and do the whole design of the system. That is why it's important to be an original liquid cooling miner, crypto miner. So WhatsMiner has its own model called M56, and the future model will have same form factor. So it's not only one generation, but in the future, all the generations will have the same form factor. So that is the reason we do a separate product line just for WhatsMiner. So it's called our M series. We have M1, which can host only one miner inside, and we have M6, which hosts 6 miners inside, and we also have M20. Yeah, there are 20 WhatsMiner at M56 inside. And we also have MC40, that is a 40-inch, for 40 feet container. So that is for large-scale mining. Yes, these are our product family. We support from individual home mining to large-scale mining farms. We have all the solutions. Other than those products, what we can provide, first, we provide best products with reliable and efficient design. Second, we never exaggerate or mislead in configurations, in specifications. What you see is what you get. Third, we do customized design to every single customer because their requirements are different, and we help them to save money for the investment on immersion cooling facilities. The last one, we can provide on-site and long-term support, technology support for mining farms. The most important thing is what makes us different is we really care about our customers. Your feedback, your success is our success. So we want not only be your provider, technology provider, but also your friends in the mining business. There's one more thing. We support Ukraine. The war is not ending. Last year, one of our most biggest investor and our company donated a lot of Bitcoins, quite a few, not a lot of, but quite a few Bitcoins to Ukraine. This year is tough. It's a difficult time for Ukraine. I have a lot of Ukrainian friends in Canada, so I feel their pain. So this year, we will continue our support. That is maybe more important for us other than our business. So yeah, thank you all. Thank you.